Let me ask you this question, do you have a favorite song that you enjoy listening to over and over again? Or even better, have you created a playlist on your favorite social media platform and you just enjoy playing it whilst doing your chores, driving, or even when reading? Well, what if I tell you that you could earn $25, $50, $100, and even much more every single day with your favorite music? And even better yet, I want to quickly share with you my secret ninja trick that I use to make 3 times more money without me doing much of the work. The first thing we are going to do is to go to youtube.com and search top music in 2021. You will be presented with hundreds of playlists and songs to select from there. Now, I will show you a real-life example of how I go about multiplying my earnings every single day. So now click where it says filters and select playlist. Now we want to have playlists that have the most people listening to already, so select view count and then press search. As you can see here, this playlist has over 100 songs and it was updated very recently. Scroll down below and it's the same, this one also was updated recently, and this one too. This means that these playlists are being updated regularly and with fresh music that is trending these days. Now, I want you to check this out also. Let us right-click to open this playlist in another tab. As soon as the playlist opens, you will see that it has been viewed over hundreds of millions of times. This is even more exciting news to us because it is the perfect opportunity to make money from this. Okay, let me give you a rough idea of what is to come later in the video. As you can see, this playlist has over 900 million views, and if we get paid at least $3 per every 1,000 views, then it means you can potentially earn a lot of money in a whole year. But this all depends on how closely you follow the steps in this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any questions, opinions and feedback about this video, share with us in the comments section below. Now, let's get back to the video. Okay, so now let us copy the link to this playlist here and paste it onto a notepad document. Scroll down below a bit and also copy this link to this one and this one also. So now we have 3 playlists that we are going to need in a moment. Next, go to Google and type in ShrinkEarn and click on this link right here. ShrinkEarn is the second tool we are going to be using with this method here. Keep watching to see why this website is very crucial for top earnings. Once you are on ShrinkEarn website, the first thing you have to do is to head over to where it says sign up here, and you will be directed to this page to enter your username, email, and confirm your password. Be sure to keep these in a secure place and do not share this information with anyone else or they might get their hands on your earnings. Accept their terms and conditions and then click the submit button, and that's it. Your account is created as easy as that. You are almost halfway to your first earnings already. Okay, so the reason why we need a ShrinkEarn account is that we want to be able to utilize their link shorteners to make money, and it's actually very simple. You do not need to be an expert to get this right. It's a simple 3-step process that you have to follow, and every time you do it correctly, you will earn some money. Inside your ShrinkEarn account dashboard, go to settings and then complete your profile in the required spaces. This is important so that you get your payments on time. As you can see when you click to choose your country here, they are accepting members from all over the world. It does not matter which country you are from. As always, let us know where you are watching this video from. It really helps us a lot so that we can continue to give you more juicy methods to earn money online even in your country. After that, scroll down below to the withdrawal information section and choose which payment method that you prefer here. As you can see, my favorite one is PayPal. Next, on the right side you can see the payment threshold that is required before you can make a withdrawal of your earnings. Finally, indicate your withdrawal account right here by typing relevant information as required by these guidelines. If you previously selected PayPal, then you only have to enter your PayPal email below. As soon as you are done entering your information, click the submit button and it's now time to make some easy money. Okay, so now go back to YouTube and to the tab that we opened a while ago. Click on the share icon right here and then copy the link like I just did here. Then go to your ShrinkEarn dashboard and select new shortened link. Paste the link right here. You can choose to create an alias for your link. Basically, an alias is a nickname that you can give your link. I am going to type mine for this YouTube playlist. By the way, there is also an option for you to choose an expiry date for your link, but I strongly recommend that you leave it blank so that the link will keep earning you passive income over and over again. Now, I want you to check this out. The amazing thing about ShrinkEarn.com is that the minimum payout is just $3. They pay their members daily, and as we noted before, they have several methods of payment options. This playlist we are using has over 900 million views, and from these publisher rates, per every 1,000 views, we will be paid $20, $13, $10 depending on where our links have been shared. The aim here is to get as many people from high-paying countries to click on your link. I recently shared the secret trick inside this video on what you need to do. Go and watch it for maximum earnings. ShrinkEarn.com is the fastest growing and best paying URL shortening service that is out there. According to SimilarWeb.com, it averages over 700,000 monthly visits. As you can see, a lot of people are making passive income simply sharing links created on this website. Now, before I reveal to you my secret strategy on how to multiply your earnings up to 5 times, I simply ask you to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Next, I want you to go to reddit.com and sign up for a free account by clicking this sign up button if you do not have one already. Enter your email and then click continue. Choose your username and then enter your preferred password, then click sign up. Once your account is ready on Reddit, go to the search bar and type in music. You are going to see a number of music communities that you can join and get people to click on your links. For example, this subreddit called Listen to This, it has got over 16 million members, and these people are looking to discover new and overlooked music. If you scroll down here you will see that people are sharing links to their favorite music and playlists. This subreddit was created in 2006, and currently it has 24,200 members who are currently logged in. And if you manage to get these people to click on your link, you will make an easy $480. The same with this subreddit also, r/music. It currently has over 30,000 members that are online right now, and if you share your link inside this subreddit, that's an easy $600. But be careful not to spam the platform, or otherwise your account will be deactivated for violating their link sharing guidelines. Now for the bonus tip on how you can 5 times your earnings every single day. You can use the comments section below this video to share your links with others on this channel. Just make sure you introduce yourself and tell others what your link is about.